Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure and prepare everything before you heat. Use 200 g dark chocolate, add about 60% cocoa, and chop into 5 8 pieces so it melts evenly. Warm 120 ml heavy cream to just below boiling, roughly 90-95 degrees C, then pour over the chocolate in a heatproof bowl. Add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla to the mixture to improve sheen and mouthfeel. Let the cream sit 2 minutes, then stir slowly to form a smooth, glossy emulsion ready for filling. Pour the 120 ml hot cream directly over the chopped 200 g chocolate and allow it to sit undisturbed for 2 minutes. This softens the chocolate without overheating. Starting from the center, stir in slow circular motions outward until a smooth, homogeneous emulsion forms. Streaks should disappear. If adding butter or flavor, fold them in at this stage. Allow the ganache to cool to between 20 and 25 degrees C for easy piping, or refrigerate for 30 to 60 minutes, checking if the ganache is too thin for piping, refrigerate for 10 to 20 minutes to firm, or fold in 20 to 40 g additional melted chocolate to thicken. If the ganache becomes too firm or grainy, warm gently over a bain-marie while stirring, or whisk in 1 to 2 teaspoons warm cream until smooth. For storage, cover and refrigerate up to 24 hours for best texture. You can freeze portions up to 1 month, then thaw in the refrigerator for 24 hours before re-whipping briefly and using.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.